Okay, I didn't ask the name of the lesson. I only asked what is the number of the lesson. So what is the name of the lesson?
The name of the lesson log kya kahenge.
Yes, log kya
kahenge.
And what we say in English? English, what is it? What we say in English?
What will
Yes, what will people say? You understood?
Yes, sir.
And in Hindi we say log kya kahenge.
Kahenge.
Yes, and what is the first objective of the lesson today?
Subject to understand how
Excuse me. Okay, only one student read. What is the objective? Only one student. Please read.
to understand how
Yes, please read.
to understand how fear of log kya kahenge can affect their decisions to describe this description of events.
Yes, excellent. Please today you all are going to understand how the fear of log kya kahenge can affect our decisions. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, do you know why are we not getting success and why are we not making proper decision and why we are fearing and why we are unable to achieve our goal, why we are not able to get success and why are we not reaching to our aim? Do you know what is the reason? Do you know? Do you know when you are doing something? So what people are saying? There is only one reason. What is the one reason? What is the one reason? What is the one reason? Yes. Log
Kya kahenge.
kya? Please come. Kahenge. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
What will people say?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes,
What
sir.
will
People
people say? This is the main concern. This is not only topic today. Today this is not topic. This is the big concern, big problem, big difficult, big dilemma and big obstacles in our life to getting success and to become a successful person, successful lady, successful girl, successful woman.
Yes, sir.
Because of this reason, we are unable to do anything.
Yes.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because we think in our mind that if I will do this, if I will make this decision, if I will go there, if I will go for this, I will do this. So what will people say? What will people say? We think in our mind. But we are avoiding, we are ignoring that. How is the effect of it? How is it affecting? How is it affecting on our decision, to our decision? We are just thinking. But this is not only problem. This is a big virus in our mind. This is a big virus. As you have listened, did you listen about coronavirus?
Yes, sir.
So this is the big virus, that coronavirus.
Yes, sir.
Coronavirus, you will be diseased, okay, from coronavirus. So you can miss only, you can live and you can live only, you miss we can get something disease, okay, we can also get death. But this virus, if you will be virus of this, you will be disease of this. So what will happen? We will be die. We will be die. Still we are alive because this person will not let us success. Will not let us success because of log kya kahenge. What will people say? I am giving an example. Suppose that you are learning here. You are coming here, you are learning here, and you are regular students. Do you know in your village in your neighbor. Okay? So were people saying something? Were people thinking something about you? Yes? So can someone share what they are thinking about you? That you are coming regular. Okay? Where are you going? What are you learning? Why are you going? Are they thinking or not about that? Yes? What are they thinking? Can someone share? Someone please share. Only one thing. What people would be thinking when you come here? Please share. No. Please share.
अभी जब हम आए थे
In English, please. When I was coming? Okay, you may share. Please share.
सर तो हमारी सिस्टर है सर बड़ी
Yes,
चाचा की लड़की
Yes, sir.
तो उन्होंने कहा हम शॉपिंग करने जाएंगे तो आज तुम घर पे ही रुक जाओ
Yes.
अभी हमारी सही दीदी को ये वर्कर ले जाते
Yes, yes.
तो मैंने कहा आज कोचिंग जाएंगे तो सर वो कह रहे थे इंग्लिश इतनी इंग्लिश पढ़ के क्या करोगे तुम
Okay, okay. So it was the problem is, I think she was stopping you to. Was there any important work? No. Okay. So she would be thinking that if you will learn English language, so what will you do? What is the benefit of it? So you should share that time. You should share that in this generation, in this era, English language, English skills is very important to get any job. If you are going for an interview, so you must speak in English and you must be confident. Interviewer only see. Interviewer only sees, only looks you are confident. Are you confident or not? You are confident or not? You are speaking with confidence or not? You are able to speak, you are able to answer properly or not? Have you understood?
Yes.
That was, as you shared that she was your his uncle's daughter. She was your uncle's daughter. And I am asking about people who are not your relative and who are like neighbor. Yes, who are your friends, like friends also are included on that. Have you understood? So people, what people are saying, we don't need to focus on those people. Why? Because people don't want that you should success. People don't want. People don't want that you should get success. No. They are waiting your failure. They are waiting your failure. That which day you will be defeated. They are not waiting your